Guys, welcome to our weekly podcast. So today I want to share with you how investors are protected in Dubai when they invest, right? So every place when you want to invest in real estate, please check the jurisdiction and then the laws and the procedure and how can an investor be protected. So in the Middle East, we actually explore different regions, not just Dubai. We are in Qatar, even different Emirates. So for us, we feel Dubai is the most regulated jurisdiction, emirate. So investors can feel protected and safe when they invest. So therefore, I want to go over with you Dubai real estate. Right? How is the procedure, especially when I buy the off-plan property? Because you can see when you come to Dubai is actually still being built, right? Just getting started. There's so many more villa communities are launching because Dubai wants to welcome everyone, a mother of tolerance emirate. As well, over 180 nations are investing in Dubai. So why are so many different nations investing? Because of the procedures and policies already in place. So let's go over buying the off-plan property first. So DLD, right? Dubai Land Department. Dubai Land Department is a data collection. So when you buy the property, you also pay the 4% DLD fee. Right? So for example, if you buy 1 million dirham, you are paying 40,000 dirham as a registration charge, right? So the Dubai Land Department collect this 40,000, 4%, kind of like almost like a property transfer tax in British Columbia. So meaning you get the stamp, you get the Okud, and Okud is like a pre-title deed. So during the off-plan, when you pay 20% usually, plus 4% DLD, the land department fee, then you actually get something called the Okud. So you feel comfortable, I already have an Okud. Often with the Okud, you can use it to make a visa, such as the golden visa. So we will talk more detail about that, and we also discuss a little bit about the golden visa in our other episodes. So Dubai Land Department, why is that important? Because this department, keep record of all the titles. Keep record of all the titles. That's important. When you buy a piece of property, your title, your name is on the property. So this is very important. So in Dubai, it's actually very transparent. The real estate market is very transparent, meaning I can see, I go to certain websites, or as an agent, I can log into certain portals. I will be able to find who is the owner of the property. What is the title deed, or if there is any mortgage on the property. So very similar to Canada, you can find the title search. So when you buy the property, you're buying the title. So very important to get the transparency. Who is on title? Transparency and access to sales statistics. This is very important. Then you can know the trends to analyze, the before and after. As an investor, very important to get access to statistics, right? So this is important because when you are buying the property in a certain area, you're, of course, want the property to appreciate rather than depreciate. You want the value to go up, not down. So with statistics, you can actually do an analysis, right? So you can do a market analysis and then make your informed decision based on the information and access. So that's very good. So you can get access and statistics through many portals and apps. And under the Dubai Land Department, also there is the RERA. What is RERA? So that is actually Real Estate Regulatory Authority. It's kind of like a regulative body to, make sure people are not like doing wrong things, right? So if you do something wrong, they will put you in real estate jail or big fine. So this is important. So make sure people are following the rules and procedure to protect the public from investing, right? So this is why it's very important to have the Real Estate Regulatory Authority. It's very similar to what we have in Canada. So in Canada or in British Columbia, we have the BCFSA. So British Columbia Financial Service Authority. So meaning all our, we keep track of KYC, know your client, information about the client. So this is important to keep a record. That's why whenever we buy a property, we're always, showing our passport and an extra government ID. So therefore, it's legitimate, it's verified, right? So this is important under the RERA Real Estate Regulatory Authority. As well, RERA makes sure you have something called an escrow, right? Escrow is like a trust account. So what is a trust account? Meaning nobody can touch it unless got approval, right? The money cannot be touched unless it's got approval. So why is that important? Because when you buy a property, you're giving the 24%, 4% go to the Dubai Land Department, 20% doesn't really go directly to the developer. It goes to the escrow account, meaning even the developer cannot touch this money unless they make a certain progress in the construction. So what does that mean? Meaning the developer financially okay. They don't need your money to build. They already bought the land, already paid for the land in full. Also, they have a certain amount to start the construction. And then they also make a sale for the pre-launch and collect the expression of interest. And when there is sales, firm deal, the client pay the 20%. Does that make sense? They pay the 20% into the escrow account when there's a certain progression into the construction. They can then apply to RERA and Dubai Land Department. Hi guys, I already finished 20%. I would like to withdraw from the escrow to continue the construction. So then, inspectors will go in and inspect the site. Also, every stage of construction need inspection. If, for example, when you're doing the foundation, you have to dig a hole and make sure all the foundation is engineering step. It's a world-class standard. We built Dubai built the world's tallest building. It doesn't Mickey Mouse construction, okay? It's got to be solid. It's got to be, withstand the wind, the storm, the sand, everything, right? And of course, we have the torrential rain last year, because it never rained before. So even though this is kind of a little bit flaw in the construction, but Dubai recover very quickly. They send out tankers to suck up the water, and then now they're going to build irrigation, right? Just to prevent anything unexpected. So this is the story of a growing economy. It's learning and it's pivoting and it's improving. So very impressive. That is why over 180 nations are investing in Dubai. So this part, you can feel comfortable that your money is in the trust account. As well, this is not accounting or legal advice. If you're seeking for accounting and legal advice, consult the accountant or lawyer. We are real estate professionals. What we know, we share with you. And if you have any questions, please DM us, comment below, whatever you would like to know, give us a call, direct message, or, reach out to us. Cheers.